What's up, people? We are going to create some databases. We're going to create the musician database, and then we'll see how far we get. Probably that'll be all we'll do. And orders database and faculty database, and there are the schemas for the different databases we'll create, and we just drew those out here in class. But just to review the schema for those of you who are watching this online and didn't make it to class, or any of you out there in YouTube land, power to the people. We've got this right here, and this is how you get to these notes right there. All right, and the whole course will eventually be up here, so if you want to come take the whole course, this is a website my friends and I built. Reviewing the schema. So here we have musicians, so they'll have an ID and they'll have a name, right? So these will be actually like guitar player, and this will be the, who's a famous singer? Who sings for Aerosmith? Wait.
I was going to say Dave Mustaine, but not for Aerosmith.
Dave Mustaine? Yeah, that's right. Is his last name Mustang, like the horse?
I'm pretty sure it's Dave Mustaine for Megadeth.
Yeah. Dave Mustaine would be a musician, and Steven Tyler would be a musician, and
I like Sam Smith.
Sure, whoever that is, Sam Smith. So we list our musicians here, and then we'll list our bands here: Aerosmith, Megadeth, Metallica, Van Halen. List the bands here, and then each band will have members. So one musician could be a member of many bands, usually just one, and one band's going to have many members. So we'll have band members, and then there's styles: rock, jazz, heavy metal, country. Megadeth, country. And so one band could be associated with one style or many styles. So that's the musicians database. And then we have the orders database. So we have customers, and we have products, and we have orders. So order number 7 could have like many order details, right? And one order detail is going to have a product, a price, and a quantity. So one order could have, right, many different products that are being ordered. That's that schema. And then we have the faculty database. So we have faculty name and title, professor, adjunct. And this would ideally be out in its own table, a lookup table, right? Right? That would be in its own lookup table. So we just have like title ID here, and we'd have the different possible titles. We're not typing them in each time like an idiot. I don't know what else to say. Maybe that's not the best term. I'm thinking of Louis C.K. Maybe that's not the best role model. But he says you get your, checkbook out, and then you write yourself a check like an idiot. That's the way we used to have to get money at the bank. You'd write yourself a check and cash it. But so that's what I was thinking here. You want that in its own table. You have faculty, and then you're going to have a schedule, right? And well, faculty, and then you're going to have classes, a class name, and a class will be associated with some discipline: biology, chemistry, finance, marketing, accounting, information systems, computer science. And then, one faculty will teach many classes, and that'll happen on different terms. And so 2018, 17, 19, 20, 20, and what semester ID, fall, spring. Really, we could have just left out semesters and terms, all that. So when we build this, we might just go for this top stuff here. I think that's all we need. But I start like seeing the whole thing when I'm like, school, I know it too well, too many details. So that's our schema. Schema is the word I said. Hit like and subscribe.